Okay, so I didn't really get up to much today other than play Fortnite, but I am pleased to report I did get one epic victory royale. So instead of my normal daily video, I'm gonna share with you guys a project I've been working on for the last week or so. The project is incomplete, so the video doesn't end in success, but I hope you enjoy it. And before I get into that, a little bit of an update. The plants are growing. Okay, so today when I was out filming and I was using the little drone to get those shots, I was thinking how helpful like a small remote control boat, like not that much bigger than this, that could fit into my backpack and have the GoPro on the top of it. So I dug through my stuff and I've got this little blue like soft rubber propeller that's got this little hole on the back of it. And then I got this little brushless motor here. But the thing is, this shaft here is a lot bigger than the hole on the propeller. So I'm gonna try make something that adapts here and then it has like a long stick that goes into there so that it can be inside the boat like that and do that. Still a bit of vibration going on there, so I'll just try and use the drill to take that out. That's pretty smooth. My little test setup for the propeller for the boat. Not bad, not bad. I've now broken 2 drill bits trying to make this little adapter thing, so I just went and bought this really fancy drill bit to hopefully finally finish this thing.